Well, hey guys. My name's Sean. I'm a wandering vagabond. I've been sharing my life on Instagram for a couple of years now as I travel the world and just get up to normal life things. Currently, I'm in the Rogue River Siskiyou National Forest in Oregon, living out of my Prius. Um, yeah, give you guys a look and see what's in there. I've got an extremely simple setup. Um, I have a 2004 Prius that I bought at Salvage auction.
Here comes our car.
Spent some money, fixed it up myself. Got that dash all apart. It is filthy.
Alright, time to curl myself underneath this car. That's where we need to attach to. That's where we're going on this end. So hopefully that guy slides right over that guy, and that guy fits inside that guy. And then we bolt it all together. Alright, this is gonna be fun.
That was a lot of fighting and screaming. But, and yeah, a little bit of blood. But guess which one's the old one? It's the dirty one, if you couldn't tell. It even came with, low focus, some green slime in there. So that way that I know that it's had all types of yuck put into the system. But you can see straight down. Or up, whichever way you're looking at it. Now to get that puppy back in there. Added some solar panels and yeah, everything that I kind of felt that I needed to survive. It's not my first rodeo living out of a car, so, and not my first rodeo traveling around the world. I've done it out of a backpack that's currently inside of that car for months at a time. So this vehicle has more than plenty of room for me. But yeah, I'm currently editing videos to be posted on posted on YouTube. She's rendering right now. Also run an eBay business, buying and selling random things, as well as when we need real cash.
I drive with DoorDash to make actual cash so that I can live in places like this and have views like this and live out of this car cheaply. I sleep and live out of this thing. I have a 4-inch foam mattress with a fabric on top so that it doesn't look too cheesy. I store my solar panels underneath. Yeah, I try to keep things simple.
I also have behind there battery isolator, which separates the car battery from my second battery so that I can't discharge my car battery by using my second battery to cook, to power my electronics, to power my computer, all of that jazz. Over on this side, I have my shoes and my coffee. Empty coffee maker. There's a bag of tools over there. There's also a bag of tools, or a box of tools under there. I have my pile of clothes, so I know I don't need too many. I have a power strip that will reach well far out of the vehicle. And I have all of my kitchen utensils in here. Everything to cook with. Currently using this box as a trash bag. Let's see. It's on the other side of the car. We've got... I don't want to open it because I don't want things to fall. Over here we've got dry food storage. Like I said, there's coffee maker, hot pot, hot plate, all the cooking things in there. Dry storage. I have a 6-gallon water tank. That's just an extra jumper cable that I have laying there. Behind the dry storage is my backpack. Fits in a nice little cubby there. And underneath where I keep my pillow is my fridge. Most everything in here runs on 12 volts. If it does not, it plugs into the inverter fairly quickly, and we use solar. So that's the quick and dirty rundown of my Prius, my salvage auction Prius that I live out of. Yeah, hey, 40 miles a gallon plus, and I can drive on roads like this. Have views like this every night. I'll take it.
Well, as much as I hate this self-promotion part of everything, there's like buttons, comment buttons, subscribe buttons, all that stuff down there. You know, yeah, help me out. Help the algorithm figure out who I am and show me to more people, and I don't know, maybe I can step these adventures up, and maybe even my editing skills. Yeah, like just a tad. Yeah. All right. See you guys in the next one.